About 2 years ago, a buddy of mine told me about this school down in Athens, Texas, that they taught people how to be certified in RV repair. And so I gave them a call and told them that, I'm a veteran. It would be great if I could use some of my education benefits from the military to come here and go to school. I got to work with them over the last couple of years as they were working on getting their approval, and got the call that we got it, let's get you signed up. I said, perfect, and was able to come down and use my education benefits from the military to fully cover this whole adventure to get me prepared for my next career. When I got the call from the NRVTA, I was so excited. Like, it completely changed my path of where I wanted to be, and I was down here immediately. I've grown even more skill sets with the hands-on training that they provide to be even better and successful starting my own business. It's an amazing program, and I've learned so much, and I feel very confident with my business here in the near future.